We got here I believe it's an '05 Trailblazer with a cooling leak. Bring it in and see what we find. Looking like we have an empty reservoir. We see no visual leaks at this time. Open up the radiator cap. And it's looking pretty dry. Let's see how much water it takes. This is just water. When testing the leak, you don't want to use Freon because then you're going to lose it. And if it has a leak, you're going to lose the Freon. So it'll be pointless. It took almost fucking half a gallon of water, maybe a little more. Go ahead and install my pressure tester. No problem. Look at it. See it right there? The leak back there. Looks like the heater hose, hopefully. Yeah, look at that. Boom. As soon as I touched it. Alright. We're back at this 05 Trailblazer with the coolant leak on the water hose, on the heater hose. I have a couple fittings I have picked up from O'Reilly's. Go ahead and check those out. Hopefully these work. Pretty sure they will. Let's start by opening them up. This is what it looked like. I have, here's the old one. Okay. So what I need to do is cut this piece off here. Okay. Oh, put some gloves on. I like to keep my hands clean. But sometimes I don't even put them on, but today today's a Sunday. I usually don't work on Sundays, but this customer needs his vehicle back. They need to turn on the pit later and make me some nice grub. Alright, I usually have some nice hose cutters, but I don't have, oh well, these might work. I don't have any here. Nope. Alright, so I'm just going to use one of my blades. There's a serrate on it. I don't have a serrate on it. Nope. Smooth. Let's do that one. Look at that. Like butter. Alright, that hose is cut for that piece anyways. So we're going to take this piece off here, slide it onto the actual heater hose already, and we want it up and down. See how it made a little clip sound? And what I mean up and down is you want it like that. So it's going to need a clamp. Let's see what this is doing. I want a wide one. We'll use these then. We're going to make it go this way. I'll stick it in there. See? Put it in. Before you put the clamp, make sure you have a good angle of how it goes in here. Looks pretty good right there. That's a, pretty sure that's a 1/4 inch size for the hose. It's clamp. 1/4 inch. Oh, okay, so it's not a quarter, it's an 8. 7. Over here if I can. Wrong size. Oh, so it's a 7. Correct it. Time to clamp. That's good up there. Then we're going to push it. Make sure it locks in place. I don't know if you can hear that, but it made a little clip and a pull on it. Not going nowhere. Alright. Like I was saying, we're going to go ahead and do the other side too. Even though it's not broken right now, they both got installed at the same time. They might fail at the same time, or sooner or later one fails. So might as well just do both of them at the same time. Before I replace this one, I want to make sure it's the same size as the other one we just got. So what I'm going to do is push it in there and see if it lines up. This one totally came apart when I took it out though. All those should be inside that fitting. They should not come out. Alright, put that off. New fitting. Make sure it goes in there. It looks like this other side is a bigger size. This other side is just a tad bigger. We're going to head and take the other one off and take it to O'Reilly's to go try to match it up. It's a little bigger, but there's no point in not doing it while we're here. We don't need it to fail later. Go ahead and cut this one out. Just got back from O'Reilly's, picked up another fitting. This one's aluminum, is bigger. Hopefully it matches up. Yep, sure looks like it. So again, let's put this clip on first. You can hear that little clip. And then this clamp. On there. A little tight. Well, let's give it a little lubrication. There you go. Tug on it, make sure it doesn't come off. That's on there. Verify. I'm gonna put some coolant in it. He said he had a couple in the back. What's that? Go ahead and put tools away. I like to keep the parts till the job is done complete, just in case the customer wants to see them. And afterwards, I could throw them away. What's that cool? Okay, so I have to turn the car on. Let me go ahead and open the doors, or just the door. Don't need this anymore. Take my headband off. Trash tool. Good. Yeah. Tool. Alrighty. So what we want to do is turn the vehicle on with the heater on. Once you know that, once you feel heat coming out of the vents, that indicates that the thermostat is opened and then the flow is going all the way around the cooling system. So we'll go ahead and turn to heat. Let it circulate. Now it's burping, and you'll shut it off when you have heat inside and you have no more bubbles coming up. Alright, that's it for now. 5 Chevy Trailblazer heater hose connectors replaced. It's burping. I got it outside the bay. Bay got mopped up. You see the AC leaking there. There's condensation is normal, but no coolant leak. There you go. Repair complete on this. So, well, almost. Just got to finish the lead and burp and should be good to go.